Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add custom JavaScript in Woocommerce. So let's get started. First, from the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Insert Header and Footer. You'll see several options such as WP Code, Insert Headers and Footers, or similar plugins. You can choose any of them. Click Install now and then Activate. Once the plugin is active, go to Settings in the left menu and select WP Headers and Footers. Here you'll see three sections: Scripts in Header, Scripts in Body, and Scripts in Footer. Paste your JavaScript code in any one of these boxes depending on where you want it to run. For example, I'll paste mine in the Body section. After pasting, scroll down and click Save Changes. You'll see a confirmation message that the settings have been saved, and your JavaScript code will now be active on your website. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.